Welcome to EROTECH Solutions. This is Nanda. Here I am explaining about IoT project with ESP32 CAM module, and this is for doorbell alert system, and you can go for live streaming by using this project. And this is a very demanding application with IoT. So this application contains different modules. This is ESP32 CAM module and push button and one channel relay board with optocoupler driver unit, and this is the doorbell available in the local shops. So this application, which is go for live streaming with IP address. And coming to hardware connections, this is the ESP module controller unit, and this push button have two leads, so which I took for one pin for ground and other pin for IO. And there is relay module have three leads, VCC, ground and input line, and the doorbell which is driven through relay module. And this entire application requires 5 volts 2 amps because your ESP CAM module will take more power in terms of current. So you need to use 5 volts 2 amps module. So this application, so I'm going to turn up the hardware, the power module, the power given to this unit. And once this module is connected, so you have to do some settings in the mobile phone. So you need to turn on the data as well as hotspot, and in the hotspot you have to do some settings according to the programming. So I just changed my hotspot name and password, so as equivalent as programming method. So this is the name of hotspot. You have to use, I just used doorbell name. You can go with any user defined name. Whereas password, so I just given doorbell 1234. So this is the settings required whenever you want to check the output with the application. So once I power up, so once you are connected, so it will show the hotspot devices, how many devices which is connected on the hotspot icon. So just come back to your IoT application, which is Blynk IoT. So this IoT application, so Blynk IoT application is available on the Play Store. You can directly install it, and once you are installed, so you have to follow the user credentials. You have to go with your own email ID and password. So once the device is connected, your application will come to online. So once, suppose if the board is not connected here, so you may get offline symbol here. So once the device is connected, so you have to click on this, and you need to read the IP address from the hardware. So once I press the button, so it will start.
Open the door, please.
So once as a user you press the bell, so you have a notification in the project. So along with the time, like what time I given the alert, and there is a IP address which is 192.168.154. So this is the IP address you need to remember, because for streaming purpose you need to use this IP address. So just change the IP address in the settings box. So you have to, once the ESP module is generated specific IP address that you need to use for your streaming purpose. So just follow the same IP address here, 192.168.154. So once you done this, just click on live streaming. So then you will get the output. So this application, so it can stream this video in the mobile app. So this is how this application works. If you are interested with all ESP32 and Raspberry Pi and Arduino based projects, you can contact us. The number provided on the screen. Thanks for watching.